How to remove app notifications icon on iPhone. So if you want to remove your app notifications icon just like this on your iPhone, this is called the badges. If you want to remove the badges from your app notifications, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do if you want to remove badges or app notifications on your iPhone is identify the application whose notification you want to remove. So in this case, let's say I want to remove the Facebook app notification or badges from my iPhone. Just go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down and click on Facebook on iOS 17. On iOS 18, just need to scroll down, click on apps, and then click on the Facebook icon to open it. Once you open the Facebook icon, click on notifications. Now on the notifications page, scroll down and locate badges. If badges is enabled, then turn this off. Then you can now exit the notifications page and go back to the Facebook app. Then you should discover that the Facebook notifications that stands as badge on it is no longer available. So you can repeat this on all other applications whose notifications don't want to come up or badge notification you don't want to show on your iPhone. So just go back to the app screen again. So let's say in this case, we want to use the Messenger app. So locate the Messenger app and then click on it. And here you can see we have one notification on the Messenger app. Let me show you this here. So go back to the settings, click on notifications and then turn off badge. Then come back to the settings and you should see the notifications on the Messenger and the Facebook app removed. You can also repeat this on your TikTok app or Telegram. So that's basically how to remove apps notifications icon on iPhone. So if you found this helpful informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.